made by Nala. Today I'll be showing you how I made this super cute skirt that I've been in love with. I'm currently so unwell. Like England weather situation, but I've wanted to do something really creative, but I just haven't known exactly what to do. If you want to create, you have to be in the space to be creative, to be in this like try new ideas kind of situation. So I was like to myself, you know what, let me do this, or let me start this DIY off camera. That's what I did, because sometimes when the camera's on, it's easy just to like make something that is generic. So I basically switched off my camera. What I had, it was basically a jumpsuit before, like a dungaree set, and then I literally cut them across to create like a mini skirt. So if you guys want to know how to make a mini skirt, I've actually got a YouTube video. Make sure to check it out. It's the how I made the Miu Miu inspired skirt. It's literally cutting straight across the crotch. That's literally all I did. But yeah, I feel a bit coffee, but hopefully this DIY will be easy for you guys to follow. If you would like to give it a go, make sure to give it a go. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I hope you like this. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So you guys know how raw and authentic we are with these YouTube videos. You want to grab some sweets first, guys. Make sure to grab a sweet and eat something. So this was the skirt that I had left over. I literally cut across the crotch, guys, and you can see the legs. See, I used just the legs, nothing special. Make sure to check out the Miu Miu video if you'd like to know how I can make a skirt. Super easy. So from this, I just cut out hearts. And I just continued doing it, and that is all you really want to do. And yeah, guys, enjoy this little time lapse of me cutting hearts. You can also cut circles, you can cut stars, you can cut whatever you like to cut. But for me, it was heart because I was feeling very sweet. So yeah, you want to grab some glue now, and you want to stick the hearts down. And this is how you know I was in a state of creativity, because I actually changed the design. So I wanted it to be like a maxi skirt, just with the hearts trailing down. But then I just, like, after sticking them all down, I just decided to change it and move everything up. And that's what I did. So you just want to like stick the hearts down and create a chain. So yes, guys, I just continued sticking down the hearts, creating a chain. As you can see, I did them about 10 hearts per chain. You can do longer, you can do shorter. And yeah, guys, I literally just stuck them on at the top. So you can see, I'm going to insert some pictures actually, but I actually moved all these hearts up to where the waist belt is. And this is how I made this super cute skirt, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. I can't wait for the next video.